Welcome to my YouTube channel SM Wealth. First up, Real Madrid's golden boy, Jude Bellingham. Living in the ultra-exclusive La Finca neighborhood, his multi-million-dollar mansion features a state-of-the-art recovery center, a massive gaming room, and yes, a fully custom, built-in barbershop so he never misses a fresh fade before game day. Right next door is his teammate, Kylian Mbappé. His hyper-secure fortress comes with bulletproof glass, a private biometric security system, and an indoor spa that looks like a 7-star hotel. Moving across the Atlantic to South Florida, let's take a look at Lionel Messi's jaw-dropping $10.8 million waterfront estate in Bay Colony. This 10,500 square foot masterpiece has 8 bedrooms, 9.5 bathrooms, and an Italian-designed chef's kitchen. But the real flex? It features dual boat docks right in his backyard, a private home theater, and a special room dedicated entirely to his historic football jersey collection. It's the ultimate retirement paradise. But nobody, and I mean nobody, is doing it like Cristiano Ronaldo. In 2026, his brand new mega mansion in Quinta de Marinha, Portugal, is officially the most expensive private home in the entire country, valued at over $30 million. Spanning over 3 acres facing the Atlantic Ocean, this kingdom features a massive garage built for 30 of his supercars, a giant primary bedroom suite, and a mind-blowing underground glass pool. Get this, it has an underwater passage at the bottom, so people walking below can look up and see you swimming. Talk about ultimate silent luxury. From waterfront mansions in Miami to ocean-facing palaces in Portugal, these football icons are living in a completely different reality. So, which of these mega mansions would you move into if you had $1 billion? Drop your answer in the comments below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more deep dives into the lives of the ultra-rich. See you in the next one.